Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friend, if you are new our gaming channel, please press the bell icon for more levels. Okay guys, today we play Brain Puzzle 2 level number 86. Let's see how this level will be complete. First of all, bring the tissue paper here. Now bring Julab here. Okay guys, now bring this one here. Now bring the glass. Okay, let's see how this level will be complete. Now bring the flowers. Now let's bring the more here. Now okay friends, so our level has been complete. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys.